Now who knows that currently in between Iran and Israel, is it war going on or currently on ceasefire? Those who know it is on ceasefire. So only very few know that it is on ceasefire. Currently it is on ceasefire, right? But many of you heard about that B-2 stealth bomb, then bunker buster attack, that operation going on with the US and the bunker buster bombs and all, you may know. So what if that war continued? How many countries involved in that previously? And what if they haven't gone into a ceasefire currently? Pretty much chaos, okay? It will directly affect to Sri Lanka. Directly in the sense, the prices will go up and you and I both will feel the difficulty, right? Fuel prices will go up, definitely. Why? Because do you know that in between, Israel and Iran, do you know the distance between these two countries? The closest points of those borders, do you know the distance? More than 1,000 kilometers. Okay, more than 1,000 kilometers. In between these two countries, the closest point in the borders, more than 1,000, right? Imagine now, missiles are going here and there. Okay, so ground attacks unable, no. Israel is a very little country compared to Iran. Iran is it has much more larger area. So if closest points are just 1,000 kilometers, then how far they are attacking? Do you know the length of Sri Lanka? How much? Length of in between point of Pedro to the other point, what will be the distance between those two points? Who knows? Yes, it will be around very little scale. Okay, it will be around 400, nearly, let's say 500. Search and learn those things. Now see, more than 1,000 kilometers means, see, so definitely they are not attacking from those two points, no. More than those 2 points, then it will be like 1,200, 300, 400, 500, we don't know. Now anyway, so Israel attacked Iran, Iran attacked Israel, right? You saw that Iron Dome, those defense mechanisms failed, no, right? So thinking that both countries gone into that bad kind of mood, because Israel attacked Iran, Iran also attacked Israel. Israel thought they felt that insecurity, even though they had those powerful defense mechanisms, Iron Dome and the other things, they felt that insecurity, right? So hypersonic bombs very quickly, like from a lightning second, it attacked. So we cannot take any side, right? We do, you and I, we both know. We both don't know about those countries' politics and the behavior. But these were started decades ago. This situation started decades ago, maybe in 1980s. So that made these problems. So anyway, in between Israel, the Gaza Strip, and the Yemen, Palestine, so much more things going on. So anyway, if that ceasefire was not started, now comes the problem. Okay, anyway, you know that America involved in this, no, United States of America. So they have made an operation, and that B-2 stealth bomber gone, and they put that. Do you know the weight? Who knows about that GBU? The bomb name is GBU 57. That bomb. So who knows that flight? The name, that jet name is bomber B-2 stealth bomb. So it can carry two of these bombs. So do you know the weight of this bomb? If you know, so it will be 30,000 pounds. 30,000 pounds, nearly 13 tons. Okay, nearly 13 tons. Imagine, 1 ton means 1000 kilograms. So how many tons? Nearly 13 tons. So it's difficult to imagine actually. So that can carry two weapons like that. So anyway, they have attacked. So that bomb has gone deep inside to the ground, around 200 feet. It has gone under gravity. Yeah? So they need to lift it very high. Then they put that bomb. Then it will go inside to the ground. So it will go under gravity. Then it will hit. Still it will not detonate. So it will go inside, penetrating through concrete or whatever material there. Then it can go inside like 200 feet, then it will blast. We don't know actually how far that attack has succeeded or not. It doesn't matter, we don't care. But anyway, once that happened, do you know the reply? Iran attacked Qatar. Qatar in the sense the American bases. Do you know that? In Middle East area, so it is like a shoe, no? It is like a shoe. This kind of a shoe. Look at the map. Huh? So this kind of a shoe. Then there is a Iran. Iran is also like that way. So very little, around 50 to 100, okay, around 50 to 100 strip is there, kilometer strip. I don't remember the exact figure. So that strip, if they close that strip, the entire transportation will be a difficult thing. Okay, so previously in the history, Iran stopped that strip. They put some bombs into the water. Okay, if that bomb, it is floating, if that hit in a ship, it will blast. Okay, that is in history. So anyway, that was just about to happen, stopping that that area. So anyway, it has not happened. So what I was trying to tell, so there are bases in the Middle East area, right? So this is the shoe shape thing. This is a Middle East area. So United Arab Emirates is also there, very closer there. Okay, United Arab Emirates. Then Saudi Arabia. Then Qatar, Oman, Kuwait. Lot of countries are there. And you saw that Qatar, they have attacked to American base. There are bases in United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia. There are American bases in those countries. So Iran attacked that Qatar. That's why the entire airspace was closed that time. Do you know that country Qatar? You heard that Qatar Airways. So the main income, it will be that is the main income of that country Qatar. So Qatar Airways. Then if it is stopped, then that will be a significant impact on the economy of Qatar. So what has happened other than that? So once America attacked Iran, those Fordo and those nuclear sites, right? Then Yemen, another country there, right? So another country there, Yemen told, we will attack American ships in the sea. So how many countries will drag to the war? Okay, so Iran and China is also there, right? So Iran is, we don't know, unofficially supplying. So Iran has those crude oil. So they will sell to other countries. Even though America made sanctions on Iran, still they are doing their businesses. Then definitely China can come to the war, drag into the war, right? Then Pakistan. Previously, in between India and Pakistan, there was a conflict. So anyway, that has been gone into the ceasefire, right? Then Yemen, then Palestine, then Syria, then this Qatar, then United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, right? So what if America put any nuclear attack to Iran? Then Russia threatened to Ukraine, that is in the world map somewhere in that other side, not near to here. So you know Soviet Russia is a very big country, no, like that. Then Ukraine is somewhere here. Then Russia will attack Ukraine. If America attack to Israel, Russia will attack to Ukraine. So Ukraine is like waiting to get a slap. Okay, then what will happen? Russia will engage into that. China will engage into that. Then all the Middle East countries will engage into that. US will engage into that. Right? Then United Kingdom, France, they can be engaged into the war. Right? Then there are nuclear. Where? Nuclear weapons are with UK, France, Russia, China, even Pakistan, India. Nuclear attacks means finished. Very small nuclear percentage can do a very big destruction in a chaos. Okay, so if that go on pretty much far and far, very entire zone will be flight free, right? So airspace will be closed for sure, because there are missiles going on. What if that missile will hit in a flight, right? So you saw that difficulty when Indian aircraft crashed. So what if a missile hit, right? So don't ever get any side, just wish war will go away. Okay, that is the wish which is required. So anyway, now kind of in a ceasefire mode. It was happened because America also involved. Then America told to both countries, even in Iran and Israel, both countries, they are doing this fight for so long, I don't know what the hell that is going on. I cannot use that exact word. Okay, so anyway, that kind of very tempered things going on, high temperature things. Okay, so that's about that. Anyway, if a nuclear bomb has been dropped, that would be the worst case in the history. Okay, because even fatalities can be happen more than 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, depending on the bomb size. Even, you know, whenever a nuclear bomb is gone down, there will be a mushroom generating. That mushroom is, you can search in the internet. Okay, that mushroom will be larger, it will be more higher than the Everest. Imagine, it can go more high than Everest, that mushroom. Then the impact, sometimes it can go beyond 100 kilometers in radius. That will be the sudden impact. Then after that, radioactivity. Okay, so even it will drag for like decades. It will go inside to the genes, right? Cancers. Right? So don't ever think that war can go on. Just wish it will go down. Otherwise, what if you and I will both die at the same time? What if that missile will go up and currently land in Sri Lanka? Okay, so let's forget about those things. We will go into this question.